Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ever found yourself staring at your screen, wishing you could capture that perfect moment, but didn't know how? Well, today I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 4 super easy and awesome ways to take a screenshot on Windows 11. Whether you're saving that hilarious meme, grabbing important info for work, or simply want to share something epic, you'll have the tools you need right at your fingertips. Stick around, and let's dive into these time-saving tricks that will change the way you screenshot forever.
All right, let's dive right in. For this method, all you need to do is press the Print Screen key on your keyboard. That's it. Your screen is captured. Now, to save that screenshot, we'll head over to Paint. You can also paste it directly into Word or PowerPoint if you want to use it right away. Once in Paint, simply press Ctrl-V to paste your screenshot. Now you can add some text, or even highlight something on the screen if you need to make it stand out. When you're ready, go to File, click Save As, pick your preferred image format, give it a name, and hit Save. And just like that, you've got your screenshot saved and ready to use. Now let's say you have multiple windows open, but you only want to capture the active window. Simply press Alt plus Print Screen on your keyboard. This will capture just the window you're working in, not the whole screen. Next, open Paint to save the screenshot. Once you're in Paint, press Ctrl-V to paste the screenshot. Then hit Save to keep your image. When you're playing a game and want to capture its unique movements without opening Paint, for that, simply press the Windows key plus Print Screen. This action instantly captures the entire screen and automatically saves it to the Screenshots folder. Now, open the Pictures folder, and you'll find the Screenshots folder inside. Click on it to view your captured image. All right, let's move on to the next method. We'll press Windows-Shift-S on the keyboard, and this will launch the Snipping Tool. Once it's open, press the down arrow key and select Rectangle. This allows you to choose the exact area of the screen you want to capture. After selecting the area, head over to Snipping Tool from here or Paint to save your screenshot. Now, if you have multiple windows open and you only want to capture the active window only, for that, press Windows-Shift-S, then down arrow key, and select Windows icon. Just select the active window and it'll capture only that window. Once that's done, you can save it using Snipping Tool or head to Paint to save it. Now, press Windows-Shift-S again. If you want to capture the entire screen instead, use the full screen icon and it'll grab a screenshot of the whole screen automatically. Then, just save it using default Snipping Tool or head to Paint to save it. And that's it. You've got full control over what to capture and save. And that's a wrap on our 4 easy methods to take a screenshot in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're ready to start capturing your screen like a pro. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to share your favorite screenshot method, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more tech tips and tricks.